you. Felicia. Our next guests are a Grammy Award-winning hip-hop trio whose forthcoming CD is entitled Anthem Inc., and it marks their 20th anniversary in the business. Please welcome with guest vocalist Malewa Muhammad, Naughty by Nature. Everyone.
1, 2, 3, come on, come on!
Mama, don't cry for me.
Say what?
Papa, don't feel bad.
Here we go.
Code of the streets that we gotta keep.
Yeah.
They bang, so we bang.
What we do?
So we rap my hood, my city, my borough, thoroughly.
Yeah.
That's all I have.
Naughty by
Yeah.
Nature's in the building.
Oh.
Everybody stand up, get up, get up, come on!
Your mom and your moody, you jacking for jewelry, you banging and beasting with your tats and your toolie, banging for bounty, you too young for the 90s, where you thumping with the G-Rock or jumping in the county, shooting by the roofing, scrapping is what's happening, homies real about it, so whooping, patting and cracking, if you going out tonight, your pistol and your rifle, pray to the Father and say your toe to the cycle, you coming brother listen, no mountain ain't no Uber, cook 'em by the kitchen, flags and finger flipping, living it without knowing, killing without growing, this gang is a gun, it's either giving or chosen. Trying to get the triggers out, trying to get this brother back. What's part of the deal? It won't help bring our brother back. Baby, cause you like it, lover. Take your mother like you need her. Hug her like you need her. Cases all the time you see her.
Mama, don't cry for me. Papa, don't feel bad.
It's a party!
Streets that we gotta keep.
They bang, so we bang back.
Our city, our borough, thoroughly. It's all we have. You gotta cook beef or you don't eat. Come on, Stretch!
O.P.P, how can I explain it? I think it frame by frame it. To have y'all all jumping, shout, saying it. Always for other peers, so people scratch your temple. The last P, well,
That's how, that's simple.
it's sorta like a one another way to call a cat again. It's 5 little letters that I listen, yeah. You get it on occasion after all the party
Where
is
the
again.
party at, y'all? Put 'em up,
You never had a girl that met her on a nice hello. They get her name and number, then left in her mellow. You get home waiting, they see what you wanna know about. Do you call up and it's a girlfriend or comes to town? It's not a fun to after all throw to the team. It's just some boyfriends that I have. It's O.P.P time other people's when you get it. It's over from relationships, it's just right to hit. How many brothers I can know that's what I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong that I was splitting and go hitting that? Well, if you do, that's O.P.P and you're not down with it. But if you don't, here's your membership. Yeah, with O.P.P. Yeah, with O.P.P. Yeah, with O.P.P. Who's down with O.P.P? Here we go. HipHop Hooray! Oh, hey, oh. Say what? Say what? Here we go. Yo, you drew a picture of my woman, but you couldn't make my day. I'm rocking and you know it. You never look my way. I'm looking down your darling in every single way. You're rocking on Camille Paul, straight from all the way. Ain't got jack to do with shampoo, but watch your head and shoulder. Brother on the bones and up the bones, yeah, I know ya. So ain't afraid of what I make me play. What's the funky bitch? I'm saying flip the dick. What I'm music
We
and
are the money triggers from the grill town ill. Some excellent feel. The noodles are real, so it's still. Don't land with a piece out here. The never mind being in some. Thinking what you're thinking, cause I'm pimping.
I live and out for hip hop. This is hip hop of the day. I get props to hip hop, so hip hop.
Somebody say hey. Say ho. Now scream.
Better than David Letterman. Number one.
Naughty by Nature, 20 years in the game, y'all.
Naughty by Nature, everybody. Way to go. Thank you, my friend. That's it. Have a lovely evening. Good night, everybody.